TVS HLX 150, a black-themed engine that makes heads turn and the likes roll in. Powered by 150cc Ecothrust Engine, gives you the maximum power and the best-in-class fuel efficiency you need. The engine's black theme continues into the fork, making the HLX look menacing. Now, with front disc brakes, the power to go with the power to stop on the spot and safely. Stylish rim tape to keep the stylish look going. A gear indicator to keep your ride smoother. A USB mobile charging point ensures you never run out of social media charge. A mobile holder to keep your phone safe. A load carrier so that you can easily carry more with you. New tubeless tires to keep your ride smooth and eventless. A battery-saving, brighter new DC headlamp